What's up, guys? Uncle John here. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, and please forgive me for that. Laziness and a bunch of other things got in the way. Daughter's surgery, our 8-year-old had open heart surgery beginning of May. She's doing well, healing great and fast. She's up and about. She's been up and about since like day 2, sort of. She was slow at first, but yeah, doing great. Another week she'll be able to get everything wet, so she'll be able to take a normal shower and maybe even swim soon. We'll see how that goes. So anyway, I figured I'd start off with getting another video out for you guys, and the topic today is burnout. I saw a post, I guess it was this morning, on one of the soaping groups on Facebook, where the lady says, has anybody ever been in a soaping funk where, you can't think, you're not sure what you want to make, you don't feel like getting everything out. And to me, that's either depression or just plain burnout. I've dealt with depression, mild depression on and off my whole life. Nothing severe. I've seen other people go through way worse, and it's just more of a blah feeling. Nothing, more than that for me. But the burnout part, when you're running a business and everybody says, "Oh, you make soap. That's cute. It's easy." Well, yeah, making soap is easy. Making most of my products is easy once I figured out how to do it and came up with the formulas. But when you're running a business, a retail store, a retail website, and making the products and shipping the orders out, things like that, plus everyday life, after a while, your brain just never shuts off. And that's more tiring than actually working, making soap, going to the shop, going home, packing orders. The worst part is the brain's always going. How do I get this done? How do I get that done? How do I start something new? What new scent do I need to make? See, I can't think now. Doing videos, adding that on top of everything else. Yeah, videos are easy. There's nothing difficult really about shooting this video and uploading it to you guys. But you have to set up. It has to be quiet. I have to make sure I turn the music off on the laptop, or YouTube dings me for copyright stuff. I got to make sure nobody's calling through. I got to make sure there's not people in and out the door of the store, things like that. My crazy bar owner neighbor, Cody. Squirrel. It's generally, from what I've noticed with myself and other people, it tends to be burnout. It's too much for too long of a period of time. Even hobbies, I'm involved in the wet shave groups on Facebook, and people start out with good intentions. Hey, old style of shaving, really cool old razors, or old styles of razor in a new form, and they get into it like that. Some of them think they're going to save money, and if you could buy one razor and one brush, and just use one soap until it's gone before you replace it, you could potentially save money. But most people turn it into a hobby, and they see a new razor and they're all over it. Oh, gotta have that. New brush, ooh, gotta have that. New soap scent, another soap vendor, new guy that comes out of nowhere and starts making shave soap. Everybody wants to try him out, see what he's all about, and if they like him, then they'll be on that track for a little while. And it's just so much every day. Your brain gets bombarded 24/7 with stuff. And after a while, you just tend to burn out. And that's where I am with the videos. Between, I was sort of burning out before, and then we led up to my daughter having surgery, worrying about that, staying in the hospital for 4 or 5 days with her and my wife. And I had a chance, even though I was worrying, I had a chance to physically sort of shut everything down a little bit and kind of slow down, shut it off. And that's where it stayed. An object at rest tends to stay at rest kind of deal. Getting the motivation to start back up just wasn't there. So this week has kind of been on the upswing. The shop's getting a little busier, the website's getting a little busier, and my outlook's getting better. It's just one of those things, you get tired. And so you got to treat yourself right. Take a break. Don't be afraid to take a break. Whether it's your job, your business, your hobby, your kids, whatever. Step back for a couple days. I'm not saying abandon your kids or neglect them totally, but find a way to take a break somehow for you and take care of you. And that way you'll be able to come back with fresh eyes and actually enjoy the things that you used to enjoy. If we drive them into the ground over and over and over and over, we tend to get tired of it, and then we move on to something else, and we lost something that we really love. You know, I've gotten that way with other hobbies where it's just after a while, it's like, blah, who cares? And you move on and you really never turn back. So give yourself a break, breathe, take a walk, take a little vacation if you're able. That's all. Refresh. All right, guys. Glad to be back doing videos again. Hopefully I'll have at least one out a week. I gotta get myself on track. At least one a week. Hold me to it. Shoot me emails right here. Tell me, hey, we need another video. We need another video. Give me subject ideas. What do you want to hear from? No. What do you want to hear about? You know, is it soaping stuff, shave stuff, beard stuff? Tell me. I'll do my best to try to get something together and get it up here for you guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the love. Visit our website, unclejohnsoap.com. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave them down below. Click the subscribe button, please. Please. We're over 14,000 subscribers now. Thank you so much, guys. That is so cool. Never thought a fat guy with a beard talking to a camera could generate such a crowd. Anyway, subscribe. Click the bell icon so don't miss the next video. Hopefully it'll be in a week, not a month, 2 months, stuff like that. All right, guys. Take care of yourself. Behave.